Hello, and happy Friday to all of my amazing Leos. This is Queen Amun Ra. Let's get right into your reading. This is your Sunday video. I know tomorrow a lot of people are celebrating whatever you celebrate on tomorrow, whether it's Christmas or whatever you celebrate. But again, happy holidays to each and every one of you all. Let's get right into your reading. I'm so excited. Yes, the theme is peace. The number is 25. Let's get into it. Most High God in the universe, please give me a special reading for my amazing Leos as it relates to every area of their lives, specifically in areas of power and intellect, money and wealth, creativity and emotions, and spirituality, and where my Leos need to take action. Yes, Leos, we are moving towards a new moon, and I know it's a new you, and like I said, the theme is peace. Yes, peace that surpasses all understanding. That is so powerful. I'm telling you, you won't know how priceless peace is until somebody has come into your life, or somebodies have come into your life and try to disrupt or steal that peace or rob you of that peace. Woo, look at this. Oh my God, look. Leos, look. Oh, I can't even get the cards up fast enough. All right, let's do it. Here we have the Four of Wands, right? So either somebody is celebrating outside of a building, whether it's a house, a school, some kind of a structure, somebody is celebrating outside of that, right? Maybe somebody sold a house, I don't know. Or maybe you refinanced or something, or a building or something. Well, I'm looking at least 8 streams of income, right? But this is what you had to give up to get these. You had to give up people who betrayed you, people who were very close to you, who betrayed you, stabbed you in the back, ran smear campaigns, the whole 9 yards. You had to finally say, listen, I choose me. I choose my peace that surpasses all understanding over them and their betrayal and backstabbing and manipulating and lying and smear campaigns. I had to choose me. I had to choose my peace. By definition, peace means freedom from disturbance. My tranquility. That's peace, right? Yes, that's right. That's right. Peace that surpasses all understanding. So this is what you traded. Here we have the 10 of Swords, right? So it could have been at least 10 people. So let's say you were in a relationship with somebody and it was 9 of them, not their friends, family members, or whatever the case may be. You had to walk away from it. You had to turn your back on it permanently, right? I love it. And guess what? In comes more money. In comes more money. And I know that money is not everything. However, this is also creating space for new energies to come your way, not just the energy of money, energy of new friends, soul tribes, right? Yeah, leave those people behind. Moving into the new moon phase that we're coming up on, oh no, you don't even want any more question marks around you anymore. This is right here. This is your peace that surpasses all understanding. This is internal peace. You all are divine masculine by default. This is your divine feminine. This is you all being at peace with your divine feminine selves, right? So this is your, the little boy or little girl in you. This is the, whoever in, this is you in complete whole you, right? Again, you're at peace with yourselves, right? You are totally at peace with your divine feminine self, because again, your divine feminine side, because again, by default, you all are givers, but now you're like, you know what? I'm gonna take my time to focus on receiving peace. I don't want to be around any disturbed people, for real, because that's a imbalance in their spirit, right? Just disturbed, and that disturbance could have come from like generational disturbance. You see everything crystal clear, right? It's like this owl right here. You're wiser, you're more knowledgeable now. Your throat chakra is wide open. It's the color blue. You see things as clear as this blue sky. You took the blindfolds off. Ha ha! Yes! Whoa! Happy holidays to you. I'm telling you, nothing like peace. I'm telling you, going into the holidays, and sometimes it's just you. I'm serious. Sometimes it's just you. You like, you know what? I have a soul tribe, but I just want to take a minute to just be by myself and just say thank you. I mean, like seriously, just thank you. That's right. Thank you. Thank you for peace. Thank you for getting those people out of my life. Thank you for exposing people. I'm serious. And this is not even in a sarcastic way. This is just like, finally, I'm telling you, some of y'all don't even realize how contaminated, how toxic some of those people were. You left their presence and they seemed like they were nice, but you couldn't even get sleep that night. You were like, what is wrong? Why am I tossing and turning like, more than usual? Like, what in the world? As soon as they were exposed and removed from your life, and because you all are a very loyal sign, some of them had it had to be very severe. Like the betrayal had to be very severe for you to finally move on. But you did it. Hey, congratulations, Leo. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, because y'all been thinking about this thing for far too long, giving it way too many emotions. But not anymore, not like before. Y'all like when I make up songs? It be off key. I be singing in the key of Z, but y'all get my point, right? Yeah. All right. So here we have the Six of Cups. So you all have this this childlike faith now, like moving forward, like really, really nostalgic, taking it back to when you were kids, and just like, you know what? I have this childlike faith moving forward. I may be nervous that I'm starting my journey by myself, right? You know, I'm starting this journey alone without a lot of people, but I'm gonna be fine. I'm just gonna love up on myself a little bit more, a little deeper and harder, right? Make myself my own soulmate, because that's how you came into this realm. You were your own soulmate, right? Here we have the Hermit card. After doing a lot of soul searching, being very meticulous, going through checks and balances in your spirit, you're like, guess what? I'm at the end of this thing. I'm moving on. Hi. Somebody singing Maya's song, I'm moving on. But yes, anyway, I see you all like at the end of your chapter, end of the chapter in this story, and it's time to reclaim your power. Let's pull an oracle card. I have two sets of oracle cards today. I have the Moonology cards, and I have these right here. Yes, these are the Sacred Self-Care deck. All right, so let's pull an oracle card and close this out. Oh, when I tell you I'm loving this, I am so loving this for you all. So again, happy holidays to you. I'm telling you, peace that surpasses all understanding is no freaking joke. It's not. Woo! It's like when you get certain people out of your space, whether it's family members, friends, it's actually a spirit. Because I don't want to pinpoint certain people, but it's actually a spirit, because it can be in anybody, right? Again, it's about them being disturbed. Something in their spirit is very unsettling, right? Here we have connecting with crystals, the number 11, even though we did talk about, you know, the number 25. The number 25 actually, like I said, the number for today is the number 25. The number 11, looking at this, is really about it being a gateway. So these are messages that are coming through, letting you know, yes, you are headed in the right direction. There's no reason for you to even think about going backwards, because there's nothing back there for you except more betrayal, more backstabbing, more all of that. So yes, if you were looking for some confirmation as to if you're headed in the right direction, the answer is a resounding yes. The number 25 means that you're a thinker, you're an idealist who is selective, analytical, scientific. It means that you need peace and quiet, and you tend to be more reserved. People really look up to you because of your knowledge and wisdom. Yes, keep it that way. Boom, here's your card, full moon in Leo. Here we have, even though we know it's not a full moon in Leo, but this is your message. Don't let pride get in your way, right? What is it about them? Like, don't let your ego get in the way. That's ego edging God out. You can't edge God out, because then you'll be the one that's disturbed, battling your lower self. You're lower to your higher self. Higher self is God. Your lower self is your flesh. No, you're not in battle with your flesh. Your flesh may be saying, yeah, the conversation feels good, because we're talking about feelings. Their body may feel good. Something feels good about this, but I'm telling you, no. You give them another chance, and guess what they're going to do? And this could be at least 10 people. Family members. Some of y'all went around family members during Thanksgiving, and you said to yourselves, you know what? Nothing has changed. I keep giving them chance after chance after chance around Thanksgiving, around the holidays, Christmas, or whatever the holiday, whatever you all celebrate. I keep giving them chance after chance. This ex, I thought, you know, time has passed. They were moved to be, their behavior will be different around the holidays, because maybe the mood is lighter, maybe they're more festive. Guess what? They haven't changed. I'm telling you, moving forward for you all, don't let your pride get in your way, because you'll be really repeating another cycle. And I would hate for you all to go into 2022 or even next week, because we're only 8 days away from the next new moon. You don't want to repeat a cycle. You'll be giving up all of this, additional streams of income, opportunities to meet new people, possibly selling or buying a building or a house or whatever. But yeah, there's just too much at stake here. Don't, like I said, get your crystals and your gemstones, because some messages are coming through. So take heed. That's what what I have for you. And again, happy holidays. This is your Sunday video. And by now, you know that the videos go up on Monday, Wednesdays, and Sundays, okay? For all signs. That's what I have for you, Leos. And I am so happy for you all. Congratulations on whatever building. Somebody is celebrating in front of a building. But congratulations to you and on the multiple streams of income and welcoming in, being able to receive your new soul tribe. Whether your new soul tribe is family members or friends or whatever. But this is what's coming your way just because you all have decided to finally decide, nah, I'm walking away from this thing permanently. I'm done, right? Same old, same old. That's what I have. Have a great one. Bye. See you next week.